A YouTube employee just laid out exactly how the algorithm works this 2025. So there is a new update to the algorithm. I'm talking about what videos you should be uploading, what metrics you should be using on your channel, and a ton of other things. And this new update is completely new from every other thing you've been hearing on the online space. Don't worry. All you need to do is to watch this video, implement this strategy that will work for the algorithm, and you will see drastic change in the amount of views you get on your channel. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I hope you get value from this channel and this video you're watching right now. Please go to the comment section and connect with every content creator you see right there. And we connect differently on this channel so that you can trick the algorithm to help you grow your channel. This is how we connect. Go to the comment section and connect with every content creator you see right there. Watch at least 3 of their videos from beginning to the end. You like those 3 videos, you drop comments on all the 3 videos that are related to the topic of the video you're watching, and then you subscribe to that channel. When you do that, these content creators will do the same to you. So if you see 100 content creators, connect with all of them, and they're going to do this to you. And you can also join our communities on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Instagram. It's made up of content creators who are aggressive to grow, and they are willing to support you as well as you support them. Now, that being said, this topic for today is very technical, so I want us to get straight into it. So be very vigilant. Don't let anything distract you, because as you can see from this video right now, take a look.
We needed to add some new capabilities to our system in the recommendation side to make them aware that this video actually is available in multiple languages.
The algorithm has definitely shifted. The algorithm has changed. And as the algorithm changed, you as a content creator, you need to make your own changes so that you can benefit from the strategies that will work with the algorithm at that time. Remember what I always tell you, there is no straight path to YouTube, because YouTube is always changing its algorithm as time goes on. So the first update is on the thumbnail. Remember, the thumbnail is that one thing that will help an audience to click to your video. That is the first thing that attracts any audience to watch your video. So YouTube has given us an option of comparing 3 thumbnails at a time. So when you're uploading your video, you can actually design 3 thumbnails. You upload the 3 thumbnails to compare which one actually draws your audience. And you're not the one who will do that. YouTube is going to send out this video with these 3 thumbnails to see which of them that audience will actually prefer to click more on it, and then it would use that particular thumbnail as the thumbnail of your video. Now let's take a look at, this is a thumbnail, this is a video I've already uploaded right here. Let me just click on it just like so. As you can see right here, we have change, download, we have auto generate, sorry about that, let's go back to it. Change, download, auto generate, and test and compare. This is where I'm talking about a test and compare. If you click on it, you can upload other thumbnails to compare which one your audience would prefer the more. Well, let's just click on it like so. And right here, sorry, I'm using the smartphone. This is so that those who have a smartphone will also know that they can use it to compare and test their thumbnails. Now, right here, we have test and compare different thumbnails, right? Upload up to 3 images to learn which one viewers prefer, just like I said. So when viewers prefer one, YouTube will use that one more. So we already have one right here. If you want to add 2 others, all you have to do is to click right here. It takes you to your gallery, sorry. It takes you to your gallery, and you can upload right here, and you click on done. If you have just one thumbnail, YouTube is just going to push out your video. But when you have 2 or 3, YouTube is going to try to compare and contrast, or test and compare. By doing this, it is also helping you to get audience that will click 1, 2, or 3 of those thumbnails. So you're getting audience while YouTube is trying to use your thumbnails as a test run for your videos. So this is the first update that is working massively for people. The second update that is actually blowing up channels right now is what I call in my words promise and fail, and YouTube calls it the LLM method, aka AI. So YouTube uses AI to scrutinize your videos to see if what you've actually recorded in the video is what you promised them on the thumbnail and the title, because some creators will promise you heaven and earth on their titles and thumbnails, but when you come to watching the video, you're not going to see the value of what they promised you. Before the coming of this LLM method, YouTube was actually doing it manually. It would just look at your thumbnail, look at your title, and go to your description, and that is all. But right now, YouTube is using AI, and you know how AI is efficient. Now, when YouTube realizes that as a creator, you're not giving value, they're going to stop recommending your videos, because YouTube's highest aim is to satisfy its audience. So as a creator, if you're not satisfying its audience, then there is no need for YouTube to recommend your videos. So I'm going to show you this LLM method so that you can implement it on your video before you even upload it, so that you will not get into YouTube's black book. So let me show you how you can actually check if you have value in your video, so that YouTube will not stop recommending your videos. So this is totally free. A lot of you don't know. I'm going to be using my smartphone to show you guys this. For those of you who have your laptop, desktop, and tablet, you can also use it. But if you don't, you can use your smartphone to check if your video is of value and if the algorithm of YouTube will actually see this lower or equal to what you promised them on your title and thumbnail. The first thing you have to do right here is to go to Google and you type in Google AI Studio. Right here, just click on the Google AI Studio just like so. And below here where you see the plus sign, click on it. These are the different access you can grant on this AI tool. You can allow access to your drive. You can upload a file. You can upload an image. You can record an audio. You can take a photo, YouTube video, or a sample media. Now, the first thing we have to do right here is to come where you see start, type in a prompt. Now, go to your YouTube channel and copy the link to any video that you so desire, right? Just like so, you click on the video, you click on share, you click on copy, and then you come back to this AI tool. Now, paste the AI tool right here. The reason for this is we want to check if this video actually follows the guidelines that YouTube needs to actually refer it to more audience, all right? Now you can type in a prompt just like so. You can copy exactly what I have given right here, this prompt. Can you give me feedback on the script written and edited of this video? I want to maximize my audience retention. Give me 5 actionable steps. Now, when you do this, come below where you see the arrow, you click on the arrow and you give it 1 minute or so. It's gonna bring out the analytics of this video to let us know if this video is actually good for the channel, good for the algorithm, and if the algorithm will be able to recommend this video more, and if this video aligns with our thumbnail and the title. So a few minutes later, we now have the feedback. Of course, this is a great video that tackles a huge pain point for new creators. The host is engaging and the promise is strong. Here is a breakdown of the feedback with 5 actionable tips to maximize audience retention based on the scripts provided. This is the general feedback right here, and I would like us to read it. You guys can zoom and see the details of this. This video has a very strong hook but loses momentum in the middle before delivering the main value. The core issue is the delay in payoff. Viewers are promised a few solutions but have to wait through several minutes of disclaimers, warnings, and community shout outs before they get the how to. This long wait is where you would see the biggest drop off in your analytics. Now, if I go to my analytics, this is exactly what I will see. So, This feedback is actually telling me the mistakes I made in this video. I had to talk a lot, give shout outs, give warnings before getting to the real point of the video, which will actually be the biggest drop point of my audience, because audience want that when you promise them immediately, you are giving them the value, not talking too much. So I think the next thing I have to do when I'm dropping a video is immediately I introduce the topic, I have to give the solution before I start giving shout outs and start giving other things on the video. Now below here we have the tips, the 5 tips I asked for viewers retention. You can take your time and read the details, or you go through that with your own video and see how it works. Remember, this AI tool is totally free. Now do this on your videos before you upload, and you do this also on the videos on your channel, so that you will know the reason YouTube has not been recommending your videos. The third update that is actually blowing up channels right now is this language section. Now, some of you might not see the language section in your YouTube studio because it is embedded. It will be open once you've reached a certain level and YouTube sees the need for it to, give you access to this section on your YouTube studio. You don't really have to do anything apart from keep growing, and YouTube is just going to give you access to that. And when you have access to it, you do not need to do anything, because all YouTube needs to do is to dope the language, your original language you've created your video, into other languages like French, German, Spanish, and when YouTube actually dopes your videos to these other languages, it actually gives you a wider audience, because people from other languages can watch your videos. And with this, you're going to be getting massive views. So this last one is actually dependent on how much you have grown. So it automatically dopes your videos into other languages so that it can satisfy the audience in that region. So imagine you do a video that was meant only for English speaking people, and then it is doped to French, it is doped in German, it is doped in Spanish, and YouTube start recommending it to those audience right there. You're going to get massive turnout on that video. Guys, this new update is really changing a lot of things for people. And the first two, of course, you can implement it, but this last one, it is automatic as you are growing on YouTube. Thank you also very much for watching this video. If you haven't watched this video on how you can actually take 24 hours to get your subscribers, as many subscribers as you want, then click on the link below. It's right there. Go watch it, and you gain your subscribers as much as you want in the next 24 hours. If you want 100 subscribers, you're going to get it. If you want 1,000 subscribers, you get it in 24 hours. Love you all, and until next time, keep thriving.